Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve or how I made my hair attachment. The hair I'm using is just a kinky kinky texture type of hair that I just got from the beauty supply store. So what I did was I cut the hair down into like two parts, so it's got down the middle so it's shorter, and then what I'd done was I'd hook it in a loop like how you do crochet. So I'd loop it in and then I'd tie it around the loop very loosely, and then I'd part and separate the hair so it's not as clumped together or as kinky. I used half of a pack to make my hair attachment. So I'm just going to speed up right along. So when you get to when it looks like you've got enough, I'm just going to put my wig cap onto my wig head and making sure that it's on correctly and then pin it down. So what I'm doing here, I'm just showing you guys the part where I'm actually putting the hair on. So I'm only putting it on in that front part where if you're making a wig, where the frontal or closure will be. So I'm just using that little square. So you're going to start by taking your crochet needle and hooking it obviously into the wig cap, and then you're going to want to loop the hair onto the hook that's on the crochet needle, and then you close that needle and then you pull it through the wig cap, and then you'll have a loop on one side and the rest of the hair on the other side, if you get what I mean. And then you just put the hair through the loop and then pull it tight, and there you go. So I'm just going to do this all the way for all the rest of the hair. When doing this, you need to make sure that the area that you put in the hair, like the area that you're crocheting, I've tried not to make the spaces in between like each hair a space. It's kind of closed together so that you get a more fuller look. So yeah. In the night, no anxiety. So I'm just going ahead and just trimming the hair so it looks more neater, because some pieces were longer than others. So and then you just want to take it off the wig cap. So you will need to cut around the perimeter of where you've put the hair onto the wig cap, but you need to leave like a centimeter of wig cap around, just so that you can fold it back down and sew the hair clips into it, because obviously you need the hair clips for it to attach onto your hair. So don't forget about that part. Make sure your hair's washed and whatnot. And what I'm doing here is I'm just putting the part in the sides. So I'm going to braid this parts, and then I'm just taking my bubble. So you're just gonna put it like obviously above the parts that you've already made, and then you're gonna just put your hair up into a ponytail. So and then you're just going to bun it. So just wrap the hair around itself and just pin it down so it's not sticking in every direction. So now I'm just going to take the hair that I used to make the wig attachment. So I'm just going to twist it. Yes, I twisted it into my hair, going from back to front. So obviously do the same with the other side, and just obviously twist it all the way down to whatever length you want it to be. I just use these tribal beads. So there's 5 beads all together, and then you're just going to use elastic. I'm using the black elastic band, and then I'm just going to obviously use it to tie up the bottom of that hair so the beads don't fall out, because we don't want that happening. And you're gonna want to do it for both sides because obviously there's 2 sides. So now I'm just going to go in and adjust my baby hairs. So you're just going to bring out your baby hairs to the front, and you're going to slay them. Yes, so I'm using the olive oil edge control hair gel, and I'm using the Ors. So I'll just put a link in the description down below or something. So you're just going to go around and just lay your baby hairs with them. Insecure, always on my phone. Yeah, I live a lie. Don't really know how life was before, but I do what I like. And then I'm just going to put on the wig attachment, the hair attachment. So as you can see, I've put in clips into this hair, 4 clips on the far side, and so you're just going to put that on your hair. So when you put that on, to make it even more secure, I'm securing it with bobby pins. I'm just putting the bobby pins in there just to have extra hold on there, so it won't move when I'm moving or anything like that. And voila, it is done. Slay, bitch.